Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to show you how to make this audio spectrum in After Effects. Fast as right click and create a new solid layer. Drop down any audio you have and then go to Effects and Preset and type Audio Spectrum. Here you can use your mouse to adjust the position of the spectrum. Came on the audio layer and select the audio you place in the composition. If you want to adjust spectrum position automatically, you can choose the start and end point. On inside and outside color, you can choose any color you want. Where on option, you can choose A or B. On display option, you can choose analog dots. Go to the maximum height and increase it until you see line passing through like this. Adjusted a position suitable for you. Place Ctrl D on the solid layer to duplicate it. Put its display opt-in to analog line. No, increase the maximum height of that top layer. Adjust its position sweatable for you. Place Ctrl-D again on your keyboard and duplicate the layer again. Increase the height higher than its second layer. Select them all and place Ctrl-Shift-D on your keyboard to cut them. Make sure that the space between each layer is equal. Now select all the layers and pre-compose them. You can name them to anything you want. Right-click and create a new Solidity layer. Go to Effects and Presets and type 4-color gradient and apply it to the Solidity layer. You can adjust the color the way you want. Place the Solidity layer down and make it alpha matte. Animate the colors according to the video. Place U on your keyboard to bring the keyframe, then select F9 to easy ease. Click on the graph editor and adjust the graph according to the video. Create a new composition and name it to anything you want. No, click on the Type tool and type anything you want. Place S on your keyboard to bring out the scale and adjust the text according to the video. You can use any font you want or that match with the condition. Now place our spectrum composition and adjust it to fit the text. Drop it down and make it alpha matte. Now place Ctrl-Do on your keyboard and duplicate the text layer and make the duplicate layer a stroke. You can choose any color that you want on the stroke text. Select all the layers and right-click to pre-compose them. Go to Effects and Presets and type Wiggle, make the wiggle 9. No, it's time to make the background. Right-click and make a solid layer. You can name it BG. Go to Effects and Presets and type Gradient Ramp. Put the gradient ramp to the solidity layer and adjust it according to the video. Apply and sweatable image you have and blend it to overlay. No, put our M composition on top. So no, go to Effects and Preset, type Drop Shadow and apply it to the M composition. Adjust the shadow according to the video. You can apply curve to adjust it the more if you want.